Having used Montage Navigator reports to identify the period of time where I'm making these losses, the first thing I would want to do is to go and take a look at the raw data to make sure there are no errors in that data. By going back to my summary screen and then navigating through Montage's structure, I can then get down to the actual meter readings themselves. In the folder called meters, and the fact that this was electricity, and also it was one of my packaging lines for line 1, I can select that meter, and then over on the right hand side you will see the total consumption for that period. If I now, in the data input option, select meter readings, Montage will present to me a list of weekly meter readings for the given period. By selecting the Only Show Exceptions option, Montage will just return for me those meter readings which had any of the following exceptions. In this case, we can see we have 3 readings with the blue arrow indicating to me that their readings were higher than the daily average expected for that meter for the given period. This would indicate that these are meter reading entry errors, and therefore by enabling me to edit those, we can very quickly see that the reading that we entered is significantly higher than the previous reading and also the reading that followed. So in this case I could go and I could override that reading with the correct figure, and then I could save that, and then Montage would recalculate that number for me. We would also encourage some good practice to enable you either to override the meter reading with a supportive comment, but also if you need to go and investigate whether that was in fact a meter reading error by visiting the meter, you can always park that reading and come back to it later on. The impact of that would be that the erroneous meter reading is not included in any calculations.